plug should reach.
Camera could use it cleaning as well.
Do you see the tube traps?
Advance a bit. Go ahead.
Going ahead.
Perhaps. Look maybe a bit to port.
You can come down on delta a little bit, please.
Sure.
A bit to port, maybe.
Would it be in view of the camera right now?
They're supposed to be close to being in view of the
5
camera.
meters, so they're almost
On a clear day. It's not a clear
on
day.
a clear day, exactly.
Yeah,
They're
yikes.
there. They're there. To the
Oh, I see
port,
him. Yeah,
to the
yeah,
port.
yeah. Port?
Port? Yeah, the other port.
Oh, yeah, I see him now.
Wow.
Yep.
Good eye.
That is a really good eye. I hardly even see that.
So am I clear to land on this side of him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless, Fabio, you're concerned about track marks in your camera view.
Can we land on the side?
Okay, so come around if you could, Trevor. So
Around.
come rotate around clockwise, so
Okay.
that unfortunately it's going to nasty you with the current. But
So you're on the far side from the camera view?
on the far side from the camera view. So you want to come around, so your heading's going to be almost east.
So let me see. I'm the camera's to my right now.
Right.
Our camera's right there.
Yeah.
And you want me to go on the far side?
Yeah, to the far side, so you're further away from the camera.
Roger. See if I can lateral that hard. Woo!
And current
Making
looks
it.
like it's blowing through pretty.
Yeah, it's not a fun position for the ROV to have the current on the stern.
Yeah.
It's not the most desirable.
It'll help for visibility because everything will be. Oh no, it won't help for visibility. It'll make it worse.
Yeah.
It's worse.
Oh, look at that monkey fist is buried in the mud there.
Oh yeah, full lateral. Come on, get there. Amazing there's this much current this far away from shore.
Well, it comes down the Barkley Canyon.
Totally, yeah.
You think we're at the bottom of the canyon, so depending on
Shoots there.
tide and what's happening with the Juan de Fuca, everything comes out of the straits and dumps down.
Happy to land here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
If
Not
you can
quite at
reach,
the bottom, still have the canyon stands at 2 kilometers. So we're kind of in a midway road.
See if I can
I
actually
stand
make
corrected. We're not at the bottom. Thanks, Fabio.
Can you come down, please?
Some kelp.
Or spin around, your call. Yeah, I'm getting bounced a little bit.
I mean, what do you think is a comfortable
I
delta?
I think if
We're
you spin
heaving a
around, it'd
lot.
be better. If you turn your heading to starboard,
Okay.
like 180. I'm getting too tugged here.
Okay.
It's basically mud flats, so that you're probably safe to come down.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm good. But that's better. Yeah, nice.
Is that cool there?
Yeah, perfect.
I didn't turn
yeah,
the whole way.
that's fine.
So those of you at home, we just spun Argus around, so give Trevor on the Hercules a little bit more tether so he can reach everything and not get pulled. Argus is being pulled up and down as the ship moves up and down with the sea swell. So
All right.
tether allows Hercules to not
Good.
experience the up
stand
and
by.
down of
Okay.
ship motion. Can we get positions on these confirmed again? Ba-ba-ba.
Not yet.
We could zoom in
Yeah,
a little
stand
bit.
by.
You want them to zoom in on it?
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Stand by.
They might.
Gonna work. Oof. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, my vertical is secure on the starboard side.
Roger, they want to zoom.
Yeah. Am I gonna stay still? I think so. Yeah, we can zoom. Okay, go ahead and zoom, Tammy.
It's full of stuff. Okay, good.
Sorry, it's full of what?
Stuff.
It's full of, is that a good thing?
Yes, good
Yes.
thing.
Okay, I'm gonna pan over to the other one
I got the position small.
somewhere. somewhere. Nope,
Oh.
I'm not.
Almost
Looks like
there.
13 and 14.
Fabio, you want to tell us about these larval tubes while they set up to pull the new ones out?
Are we good to pull the new ones
Sure.
out?
Yep, pull the new ones out.
Okay.
It's a new collaboration with colleagues from Europe and from University of Oregon. Professor Craig Young, who's a special on larvae ecology from benthic organisms. So this is where since last year, we've been deploying a couple of those larval tube traps in all of the Neptune locations. So we're trying to map out the biodiversity of meroplankton.
Oh, sample?
Yes, please.
Meroplankton is the larval stages of mostly benthic invertebrate species, which we don't know anything about in this region of the Northeast Pacific. So we're starting to build up a time series
Ready for
of
sample tray?
Yep.
Sample tray coming out.
larvae species. And so in 2 of those tubes that you see in red, they are filled with formalin. So they're purely for taxonomical identifications of the specimens. And the 2 black ones are in the methyl sulfoxide, so as a preservative for DNA analysis. So we'll bring those back to the surface, process in the wet lab, get the samples out, reuse the traps actually for next dives. They're very ingenious, valuable, made out of PVC. And then we'll send samples for University of Oregon.
Now it's just PVC pipe that would use in your house for plumbing, Fabio. But now, how do you get them down here with your formalin and everything not being contaminated on the way down, or
Yes.
on the way back up as well?
Well, on the way back up is because the preservatives are denser than seawater, so in theory they should stay on the tubes with the samples.
Do you think it's gonna slide?
It might.
So the specimens go to the way to the bottom. There's 3 falcon tubes glued together inside each of these PVC tubes. So the larvae make their way all the way to the last tube, ideally. So they settle in the bottom of the tubes. So because of the high aspect ratio,
Yeah, I
they
mean, it'd be
keep
hard
there
to not.
until we
It's
recover.
hung from the center.
But for deploying,
It's
we
hung
have
from the
those,
center. See the other
you'll
ones?
see in a
It'll stay
minute,
level. Just don't drag it
and
out.
I'll explain better
That's why
how we
the-
bring
they're
them
too
down
long.
without not contaminating.
Super.
Oh, if
Thanks,
you
Fabio.
can twist the jaws up, that's fine.
Now
Because
that-
it's still hanging from the rope. Just don't choke all the way up
Fish.
on it. Yeah, just lift it high. Make sure the bottom clears and you'll be fine.
So Fabio, you've brought some back already.
Yeah,
Have you
just-
found
yeah, just
anything
take your time.
interesting inside of them,
That's
or are
fine.
you waiting to analyze until you get back to on land?
Well, the larvae normally are very small
Yeah, I wouldn't go too
size,
much more with that because it might
so we
slip off
can
the
kind of
jaws.
see them, but we cannot tell them apart.
Yeah, good.
And I saw from Cascadia Basin and Endeavor that we got good
So
samples.
when you're ready for forward,
So Fabio, how about this one going somewhere forward of that rat tail?
Which-
Or hagfish, or
was
whatever it's called.
thinking
Sorry,
that
it's
was a hagfish.
Yeah,
Hagfish, not a
sounds
rat
good.
tail.
Sounds good.
can we put this in just in between the other two?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you can see, there's like a rubber cover on each tube, and there's a magnesium fuse link that will dissolve in 24 hours, and the caps will be removed. So that way the preservatives, as we descend with the RV,
Light bar.
they didn't get out of the tubes.
Nice.
Lovely.
That's good. Wonderful.
And noted about the monkey fists who being too long.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
if they're like a foot long, that's
Yeah.
plenty.
You can either pick the other one up there while you're there now, Kylie, or you can get the other one out first. It's dealer's choice.
Yeah, grab one of those 2 existing ones or go back for that other new one first, whatever you want.
Okay.
Don't bring the hagfish back, though. They are slimy and they smell.
Roger, bringing hagfish back.
All right.
Got it.
Yeah, bring this piece
How about
of
the other
kelp if
fish?
you
That
can,
other
that'll
fish
be
looks
great.
pretty cool. Is that a sablefish?
Sablefish and a hagfish.
Sablefish, good. Hagfish, not so good. But apparently they're selling hagfish to some overseas market.
It is a delicacy in
Oh,
some areas.
wow.
Japan.
Wow, I don't
I
know
assume
why.
they take the slime off first.
And Korea as well. And actually the slime adds to the gastronomic appeal in Korea.
Oh.
Some dishes.
Actually, Canada consider they
before you pick
investigated
that-
doing this fishery, so
before you
they
pick that-
Oh my
actually
god.
Uh-oh.
put some
Straight up,
research.
straight up.
Wrist your thing out. Yeah. Okay. Careful. You got to wrist your out.
Yeah,
Don't need to pick it up from above.
the wrist. Not elbow.
Not elbow. No.
So notes.
There you are. Yeah, that maneuver.
Raj.
Keep
Yes.
doing that.
Yeah,
Just keep
swing.
go that all the way.
There you go. Swing.
Okay.
Nice. Perfect.
Noted, Fabio.
Looks like we're bringing the kelp with us.
Oh, kelp is good.
Yep.
Just don't bring any octopus this time. Oh, maybe the
What's
kelp
going
just
on?
cleared
I'm
us
moving.
out.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Oh, we got the.
There's a lot of tugging around here.
You need to lower Argus a bit?
Not from Argus, from the current.
Oh,
Let me know when you're ready for sample.
I'll take sample.
I'm getting tugged. Yeah, I'm gonna come down on this one.
uh-oh. We just knocked the other one over. Don't get lost.
Hard to see now. 100% down on thrust. That's all I got.
You need some weights? I got weights.
Yeah, but we'll be fine once we get this done.
Okay.
Because I only have one vertical thruster right now. With those long monkey's fists, I secured my starboard vertical.
Uh-huh.
So I only got one vertical.
Hopefully these monkey fists are shorter.
They are.
Good. So we'll grab the other one out?
Yeah.
And that way you'll get your thruster back? Yay.
So that one you just put in is on top of the other monkey's fist, but it'll come free if you grab the line.
If I grab what I have now, what'd you say?
So when you landed that one,
It's on top of the monkey's fist?
yeah, so
and it-
just go for the center of the other one,
Okay.
but don't touch the orange things. Like the operations game.
Ah,
Operation.
in a view that I can't see anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Hard mode.
Hard mode. Okay.
Just keeping life interesting, right?
Yeah, and then we got to find the other tube traps after that dust storm settled.
So the empty one, the one that we got back, Fabio, can we nudge that out of the way with the arm? Will that help Kylie at all? See the monkey fist, Fabio?
On the bio box?
Yeah, the one in the biovacs,
Yeah.
the one that we just put in there, can we nudge it out of the way? That might be a better option than trying to reach down in where the rubber bands are and the new
Yes,
samplers.
yes.
Yeah, Roger.
You can just push it back if you can.
Yeah, and you can also re-grab that exactly. Just drag it from that.
systems confirm that ports 1, 5, and 9 are off on JB05.
Sorry, what was that? You're very quiet in my
It's not
ear.
going.
Ports 1, 5, and 9 are
Oh, all the
off.
ports are off?
Can you move Argus
Excellent.
towards us, please? Can you move Argus towards us,
JB05.
please? Probably, I don't know, what is that, 20 meters, 285 or something like that, 290? I don't know.
So you shut them all down? Yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah, it's wing and current down there.
I think it's under the foot of the
Yeah, it might be.
guy. You look clear yet? I know it's
1,
coming
5,
up
and 9
with
are
it,
all
but I
off.
don't know if it's still
Roger.
under the bottom of it.
You can take it right out if you want.
Yeah.
think next time it's best to take the 2 new ones out first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the monkey fist now.
Another advantage of short monkey's fist.
Thank you.
Nicely done. Still moving.
That back down.
25. Okay, how do I do this?
That one's actually pretty long as well. Nostrovia.
That's something else.
And these are long too. I mean, when you're ready for front.
Yeah, dive mode.
How far did we get away from the other guy?
We're within reach.
Oh, okay. Wunderbar.
No, maybe not. Maybe just out of reach. Oops, sorry. Roger. Thank you, Kim. Okay, hang out there a sec, Kylie.
Yeah,
Just halt there.
halted.
I'm going to just take some time to secure this before coming up. It's so windy down here.
Just noting the sound speed profile from the CTD is totally bizarre.
The sound speed profile is bizarre.
Yeah. Yep.
What causes that? The current?
Yep. That's stratification.
Come up, please, Kylie. Yeah.
She's just putting it down to the right side of the one that's on its side.
Yeah, go ahead there,
You all
Kylie.
set? Okay.
Okay, I'm landed again.
Boom. Yeah, we'll need a
Same.
position on the 2 new ones there, Kim, when you get an opportunity.
It's done.
Thanks. No heading, though. We don't need a heading.
Just blind grab there.
That's right. No heading.
You can wait a sec for the dust to clear.
Yeah,
whatever it
Raj.
is. Whenever you think you've
We
got
will need a
clarity.
heading, however, on one of these Kongsbergs that we're recovering. I don't think we got an accurate enough heading the last time we deployed it. So
On what? The Kongsberg?
Probably see it better
the
in
one
the
we're
bubble.
recovering. I think it's later on in the
Yeah,
slide.
it's. You're talking 5 hours from now when
Yeah.
you and I will be asleep.
Will we?
I hope so. Oh, actually, no. What am I saying?
I don't think
7
we will.
hours from now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel free to ask for a zoom on the Zeus if you need it.
Yeah. Can I get a zoom on the Zeus? That's good. Come on. Oh my gosh,
Yeah, you're not going to get it unless you do the
Raj.
first out.
About this.
There you go.
Jason Williams?
I think
Can you
that's
come wide on
dead
it,
center.
Eric?
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Watch that.
No, don't do that.
You gotta do more wrist action again. There you go.
Okay, sample.
Did that not work? There we go.
Hmm. Friday night dinner. Did anybody order pizza takeout?
I wish.
Oh, Papa John's delivers.
I was pretty sure that was your job.
Yeah.
I thought those two guys on the small boat were bringing us pizza.
Yeah. Hey, I've been on a boat before where we ordered pizza takeout. It was funny. They hung up on us twice.
Did you ever get the pizza?
Oh yeah. Delivered it down to the end of Pier 21, and we nosed in with the bow, and bosun grabbed a bunch of pizzas.
Oops, I'm stuck.
It's pretty funny. Also
my
worked on a
gosh.
pipeline project that we actually had a helicopter that went and got Chinese takeout for lunch one day. That was another one where they didn't believe us when we were ordering it. Expensive lunch.
Tammy, I've got a question for you if you've got a moment.
Yeah.
What's the difference between white balancing and black balancing?
Nice.
Oh,
'Cause some of our viewers have heard both when
Oh.
they're looking at that white square at the beginning.
oh my God.
Oh, you mean when I say camera
Sorry.
going black?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's part of the white balance. So
Sure, I
you
wasn't that wiggly
you're
jiggly.
blacking out the camera so it can readjust the iris to it.
Stay. Nice. And I can do this one.
And so essentially it's given us the same result. We're balancing out for the blacks and the whites, so everything looks more natural and not too bright.
Okay.
Got
And
your
the colors
locations.
look
Fabio, you want pictures of this?
Yeah, some screenshots.
Zoom in, please.
We have
don't-
it set up.
they
It's
don't-
been taking a screen grab every 30 seconds.
All right.
Tammy, zoom in, please.
If you think we grabbed some of those, that's great.
All right,
Oh, we zoomed in.
Screen grab of there or any?
Got it.
we're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're done.
Okay,
Okay,
let's,
come on, please.
let's head for the CTD.
Okay, CTD.
Just back to the platform.
You can set up Argus and Delta and everything there.
Okay, Raj.
Okay, coming up.
Oh, hold on. What am I saying? Back to the... it's
Do we need
inside
to
the
clean the
platform.
camera? Is that something we need to think about?
Oh, what about the T-boss and the
We're going to
T-boss.
come back.
come back later?
Yeah, it's in the die plan later.
Where am I going now?
Back inside the platform. That's where the CTD is.
Oops.
Oh,
20
that's not-
meters, 078.
I don't think we're
Stop.
going to be able to get it out of there, but it's in there.
One more time, Kim. 20 meters what?
078.
Thank
So
you.
just basically back by the platform, Trevor, it's the CTD presently is sort of on the north side of the platform.
North side.
We'll be able to see
Probably
it.
that sonar target.
We'll be able to see it on the porch.
There it is.
And these reddish fish are the rockfish, right?
So
Yeah,
yeah.
think
So
this is
north
the short
facing south.
short spine thornhead, I think.
Short spine thorny head.
Yes.
Eventually, we're going to have to come back here and lift that ADCP off the platform and put it down, but we can't do that. It's too heavy for us.
How heavy is it?
It's too heavy for us. Trust me.
I believe you.
I think it's like, I want to say in air, it's 200 and something pounds.
I like the crab with the red legs up there.
That's like, we use a crane to lift it into position.
Nice.
Yeah. But unfortunately, the CTD is right
So
there.
we're grabbing this and putting it where?
We are not grabbing it and putting it anywhere because the cable goes out through where the ADCP is. So we have to basically leave it here for now. If you see the oh, hold on, wait a minute. Let's see what that cable's doing. The green cable?
Follow it around the horn?
Yeah. See if we can get it out. If we can, we'll put it on the monument, which isn't in the die plan. But that's okay. Is that cable completely free?
One of those dust caps is on wrong. Looks like it's pretty interwoven.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Keep coming around.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah. I'm thinking it might just be under there. Is that bungee still on there, isn't it?
It's fine. Bungie's still on there, yeah.
Is that under the bungee is the question.
You can zoom in if you want. You want that? Is
Yeah,
that helpful?
sure.
Okay, video, go ahead, zoom please, Hercules.
It looks like it is. Can we
Bungee's
try
on-
to
bungee's
pull?
Looks
on
like
top of
it
the
goes
crate.
under the bungee and then right under the ADCP.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think so.
So let's see if we can pull that bungee off.
Come wide, please.
Monkey fist on the horn.
Okay.
It would be nice to get this CTD into its proper location. Eight meters away.
Do you want me to square you up before you do that?
What?
Sure. Oof. Does not like this current. Bonk. Gonna stay there? That might be nice. That's not the intended Fletcher use. Hey now, don't you escape on me. What do you think you're doing? Come on now. Hey, don't be doing that to me. Come on now.
Sean?
Yep.
Let's get them to turn the CTD off. Right now it's on.
Sure. Let's
30
figure out what port
32.
that
I think
is.
it's on J7. No, it's, sorry, it's on J2. J2. Just to be safe here.
Okay, I will request systems to power down.
Zoom in, please, on Herc Zeus.
JB05.
Good there. Whoop. That's a poor grip. Yeah, come on.
Let's see what happens when we pull this out. Bing. Okay. So we're going to have to pivot around to
Yeah, come wide, please.
the other side of the Signature 55, Nortec ADCP. And there's probably another bungee with another cable on it.
Okay,
You
so.
follow that? The horn on the other side?
Yeah, I
So-
follow you. I'm just trying to think of how I want to get there. I got to wrap in the tether, and I'm only gonna get worse.
Oh.
So
Okay.
might go all the way around it.
All the way around
Yeah.
the other way? That works for me.
Yeah, unless you want to have a look at this before I go, probably makes sense.
Sure. Let's have a little look before you go around. Okay, cable's up. I think it's pseudo-free there.
Looks pretty good.
Yep.
Pretty free. It's in front of the orange cable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yep.
so I'll go to the other side.
Okay, thank you.
It's gonna take me a
J2
minute.
is now confirmed off.
Thank you. A couple of pull pins on that CTD that we're going to have to release. to free it up. And then while we're over here, let's just do a mind check on that monument that's behind us.
You want me to look at it?
Yeah, I just want to make sure distance-wise. It says it's 8 meters away. The CTD is going to go on it, but it needs to be, it's a 10-meter cable on the CTD. It needs to be within reach because I don't think you're going to be able to pull that. And
So you're confirming you want a nav target on this monument? Is that right?
Unless you can pick it up and move it.
We can do whatever.
You want to see if you can pick that sucker up?
Sure.
Got some weights on it. So I don't
Got
know
some
how
what
much
on it?
I don't know how much it weighs.
Oh, wait. Yeah, all right.
But
And
generally,
where do you want it to go?
closer to the platform.
Raj?
Looks to be about 8 meters away from the platform
Yeah.
currently.
Can I get bubble in the jaws, please?
Yeah.
Whoop. Yeah, she's going to be heavy.
Yeah. Tell me if it's too heavy.
I'll let you know after we raise a cloud of dust. How about?
Yeah, I understand that. It's all that kelp on there.
Kelp weighing you down.
Yeah, heavy kelp.
Try rock it a bit. It might be just suctioned in there.
Yeah. It's not light. I'll tell you
No,
that.
it's not.
Can I get
one
front
leg.
porch bubble, please?
Yeah.
There's one leg.
Square, flat feet, so they might just be buried.
Yeah, this close foot's still buried. Come on, you.
You got one leg to go.
Watch out, I might poke your eye out.
Yeah, Roger.
Or it's part of you, not your eye.
At least I'm looking into the current this time now.
That's a good thing.
Just going to push it this way a bit. See what happens to that. Do that.
You got 2 out of 3 legs freed up. But as
I think
you
she'll
see,
go.
there's some- Looks like either that's a 45 or two 45s underneath it. Probably 2 45s. There you go.
There she goes.
A little bit
All
closer.
right.
So a little bit closer to the platform would be good.
That is all the way heavy.
Yeah.
It's, yeah, all the way heavy. Woo. And we even went in really light.
How far in did you go? Like, I just want like 3-4 meters tops.
Whoop.
That's probably good.
There's
Okay. Releasing.
That is probably good. Excellent. Thank you.
All right.
It'll be great. All right.
Auto stow. All right, now
So-
that I'm going to go on this side, I'm going to make sure to bump the
Bump the
tether
new,
on the thing
yeah.
on the way.
Is that going to be in the way for when you plug stuff, square up to plug stuff in on this side of the?
Absolutely, yeah, it's going to be right in the way.
Will it? Okay, so you want to move it a little bit to the north?
Yep.
Okay.
Good catch.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of those things you could probably avoid as long as you always have it in your mind.
Yeah.
I will not always have it in my mind. That's for sure.
You want to do the other side of that cable, or just still this side, Ian?
That cable is the camera, so the other side of that cable.
Other
Could be
side.
good.
Other
of that
side.
cable.
Roger.
You want the jaws again?
I think I'm okay this time.
Okay.
We'll see. See how
Let
it
me
goes.
know.
See if I start whining. Can't say. Whoop, too fast.
So this is the monument normally the CTD goes on to. So there's a bead bag straight out there. It should be about 6 meters away.
There's a couple that were just below us.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, there's one out ahead.
yeah. So head towards that bead bag, but yeah, somewhere.
I'm trying. I'm
inside
giving
of
her
the
all
bead
she's
bag.
got.
She's got Kipton.
Yeah, it is 100% up right now.
Nice. You
All
did
right,
it
making
once,
it.
so
Yeah, there it is.
just right next to that star, right? Or
Star
just
marks
beyond
the
the
spot,
star?
as they say.
Beyond the star.
Whoop.
Oh,
Whoop. How about at the star?
Okay, let's see how that looks so far as getting around the other side. That's probably great. We're clear from plug-in.
looks like I see a
Yes.
starboard cam.
Okay.
It's all good.
Cool. All right, let's see if we can rotate around the other side and free up
Okay.
the cable.
Reacquire the platform. Just make sure I'm oriented here.
So in my book, this all looks like a really big, elaborate way to be playing ROV horseshoes.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
It's going to be a definite tether bonk on this monument.
And that's how we keep morale boosted on the boat.
Tether bonk. Ready for the tether bonk.
What's a tether bonk? Tether's going to touch
Tether's going to bonk, yeah.
it?
It's okay. Make it work.
So we took a turn out of the cable, the wire?
The tether?
The tether?
Yeah.
Tether, yeah.
Oh, it was just the tether. Okay.
Yeah. All right. I think I'll be good here. I can't see it yet. Let's see. Keeping an eye on my starboard cam. There it is. Yep. Good.
Yeah, you can see it in one
Yeah,
of the
starboard
starboard.
cam, yeah.
Both of them.
Flying starfish.
What have we here? Bungee?
Bungee's probably the same issue. Does it look like it is?
Yeah, likely.
Yeah, it is.
I might just land for this one. See if I can reach up. It's just a little too
Yep.
too
Same
hectic
issue.
otherwise. Just quite hectic.
Of course, the monkeyfish is buried underneath the oily.
That's too close. I don't like that. I don't know if I can do it landed. Well, try it.
It's like on the merry-go-round, you have to reach out and grab the brass ring.
Yeah, exactly.
Not that I've ever been on a merry-go-round that existed, but apparently it does in stories and books.
Zoom in, please, video. Yeah, that's good. Yes, just. It takes some. Can't grab the monkey's fist, so I gotta grab the
Finger through the ring.
ring finger.
The ring finger.
Ah, no, don't like that. There. Come wide, please.
I think you could get the
Bungee?
Yeah.
base part of the monkey's
Whoa,
fist.
whoa, that was not halted. Okay, that's gotta stop. It was halted, then it was not halted. Oh, embarrassing.
The base part of the monkey's fist close to the ring is actually sticking out. The
Yeah,
black-
roger.
black-
Okay,
You want to zoom again?
no, I gotta see the arm, forearm. Oh, I can't get that. Oh. Tisk tisk. Okay. This is gonna be a redo.
Got to reposition?
Yeah. Yikes, that was not my best work.
You almost had it.
Sub deluxe.
That ADCP is nice and clean still.
Not when I'm done with it. What's this white thing? Can I, you can't see the white thing. This white thing up front
Yeah,
here.
that's fine. That's just a lifting strap with
Oh,
a
yeah, I
PVC
can-
pipe through it.
I can beat the crap out of a lifting strap.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's what Siri says to me now. I don't know why. It says, yup. You go, hey, Siri. It goes, yup. Oop, jelly.
Excuse me.
Jelly
Excuse me.
in the camera.
Can't see.
Right in the camera. Let's push it out of the way. Jelly meets thruster. Never a good thing.
Oh, right, that's better. Okay, zoom in, please.
There you go.
Thing.
Got the monkey's fist out now. Well, mine continue. Oh, that's not what you want.
And
Nice.
Sean or Marunke,
Come wide,
you want to
please.
go eat? Oh,
Oh,
Marunke
Bronco's
did go
already-
eat.
yeah.
Mo did.
Oh, never mind. Sean, oh, yeah. I
Good.
guess then
Good
you're
dinner
gonna
time.
wait for him to come back.
Now, monument bonk.
Maybe
Here we
in
go.
15
Yeah,
minutes
can we
I'll
try
go.
to scooch some of those cables out?
Yep,
You know what I mean?
I do.
If there's any
While
more
you're sitting
cheesecake,
here?
I'll save some for you.
Oh, there's cheesecake.
No, I'm not. No.
Oh.
The chocolate chip cookies were out earlier.
Oh. Yeah, I've already had a few.
Zoom in, please.
In reality, the green ones
Good
are the
there.
ones we want out, but yeah.
Let's try these first.
It looks like they'll all go.
Yeah, come on. Come
There
on, you little
go.
rascal.
Nice scooch.
Come out a little bit, please. Good there.
Gnarly. Okay.
Okay,
Wonderful,
full
Trevor.
wide.
That's great. Can we circle back over to the CTD?
Yep. And where's it going to go eventually?
That monument.
On the monument. So
On
I'm
the
going to go to my left then. Okay, we're good there. So good. I got nothing to my left, do I?
Correct.
I think so. Is that free of that rope? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
So there's a bunch of pull pins.
Nice.
The crab is holding on. I'm
16
not
pull pins.
I'm
I got to
not-
pull one of the crab's legs off, or?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Oop, oop.
I think there's two. They might be clipped together. I have no idea why that's hanging the way it is on the porch there, or on, you know, it looks like they're all clipped together, doesn't it? Yeah, so there's one pull in the middle. Oh, I got the wonderful thing
One pull in the middle, eh?
right there. It looks like it's all connected to that.
Okay, I'll try that.
These guys are kind of interesting up there, but that's for later. So don't free those up unless, yeah. So yeah, it's just that one pull the crab is guarding.
Card grab, guard grab.
Card crab.
Card
Yeah,
crab.
definitely is. He's challenging you right now. Isn't that crab's like,
I mean, this hydraulic one may be stronger, but he's got more. So like, it's going to be a fierce competition.
that is not a fair fight. It's
I
like,
feel like that crab should
bringing
be
a
starring
knife.
in his own video game.
is that bringing a knife to a gunfight?
So I'm just going to pull this.
Yes, please, sir.
What is the dangly bits for?
Bungee.
Oh, sorry,
yeah, sure, well.
crab.
Thanks.
Come on.
Santa Cruz, California. Thanks for the shout out on the carousel with rings.
Carousel with rings. Actually,
What is
I've been to
happening with
that.
these bungees
Yeah?
here?
yeah,
The one at the boardwalk?
yes.
Cool. They said that
I've been
they
there
have
once in my
brass
life.
rings,
Yeah.
but
Mia.
the steel ones come out on special occasions.
I think I have a
There we go.
steel ring in my room somewhere.
Okay, front porch view, please.
I don't think you're supposed to take
Come
it.
wide.
Probably
Video?
not. You want the tool tray out?
Yeah, we can do tool tray out.
Out.
Let's see, what do we got? Bubble level in the port side. So I'll probably put this in the port side. Am I all camera in? Yeah. I'm gonna take a minute here. I don't know. Is Ian still back there?
Nope.
No.
You got oil.
You got me.
Will. I'm gonna take a minute, Will, and just do some housekeeping.
Certainly.
There's gonna be a box of snakes later, otherwise. Surprise for the night shift. Not really into that.
Hey, so Fabio, is that Mardi Gras beads? Trying to keep everything festive? Keep
Sorry?
morale high?
I don't know who brought those. Actually, I saw those maybe the last dive. That's New Orleans for you.
Yeah, yeah.
It's,
oh,
Mississippi.
wearing the beads. I love it.
They're from Mississippi, Mardi Gras.
Yeah, these control
Oh,
vents were built in Mississippi.
Mardi Gras.
We were down there during Mardi Gras, so we kept some beads. Good luck or something. Remind us of our roots. Okay, looks like it's all in the box. You can close up, please.
Tool tray coming in.
Gonna go? Yes. Okay. Okay, now we've got the CTD free. Bungees have been tickled, and cable is free. So is it time to grab and go?
Yes.
And am I seeing it right that this is the downside, which is going to go on the monument right here?
That is correct. The flared end
Yeah.
is the down.
Now, can I grab it on the pipe? Probably, eh?
Oh, absolutely.
See if I can reach. Hey, Mike. How are ya? Kylie, you want to eat first?
Sure.
Does this make sense? Is this going to be difficult? No, this will be fine.
So for those at home, 5 o'clock is the dinner time, and we are switching out to allow everyone to go and have some delicious dinner.
Oh, yeah, it's good. There's steak and cheesy bread and chicken stir fry.
When is the dinner not
Beets.
good? Like, they always have at least one of the 20 million options that are delicious.
It's like always 4 proteins on
Yeah.
offer.
We got everything that you could ever possibly ask for with cheesecake and chocolate chip cookies.
No, we eat very well on this vessel.
Yeah, that's, yeah. Actually, no, I can't even keep that going. I don't even know if I want to have Thanksgiving or Christmas, just because the sheer amount of food I've consumed on this one cruise.
Yeah, it's a slippery slope, isn't it?
It really is.
There's always
yeah.
something available.
Like, you wake up and you're like, all right, I'm just going to eat like a normal amount. And then they put out homemade cheesecake and fresh chocolate chip cookies that are still warm when you get them.
Yeah.
So Ashley, those 2 crabs that we saw earlier,
Hello?
do we know what species those were?
That would be a Fabio question. Is he still up here?
No. Oh, he
no?
took his Mardi Gras
We're ready
beads
to go?
or
I did.
Mississippi
Okay,
beads.
ready to go.
What's he
Yeah.
going to do with those? Who's he giving them to?
Okay. All right. Can't see. Can't see.
That tickled my funny bone, Ashley.
So glad.
I'm going to mute
As
myself.
you back away there, Mike, I can flip the wrist down.
It looks like it's maybe caught on the bullhorn still.
Yeah. And then once we come up and over that, it's got to go under the ADCP. Mike's got his work cut out for him.
Roger.
It's a good thing we strain relieve these cables.
Heavy-ish.
There is quite the current running.
Current?
Design of a Seabird CTD has always annoyed me with all of its cables and
Yeah.
clutter.
Yeah.
So the monument should be right there.
There?
Yeah. Right behind. See if I can move the CTD out of the way. Oh, maybe actually it's farther right.
Yeah, I think it's going to be to
Yes.
your starboard
Keep going
a little
starboard.
bit.
Okay.
There is a cable kind of leading directly underneath it. I think that leads to
Almost.
a camera.
Yeah, it's past the cable. I'll move this out of
Oh
frame.
man,
There's your edge of it.
there
There
you
it is.
go.
You want to fly it on or you want me to place it on?
I'll just get up there and
Yeah,
right
Raj.
there, and you can wiggle it in there.
I'll watch this cable. I think we got enough. But yeah, we got enough cable. Ready?
Hold on a sec.
Holding.
It's pretty stable. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh, lies.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh boy. Okay now. What is with you? I gotta be square.
I'm moving away from it.
Hmm.
There it
Nicely
goes.
done.
Nice.
There we go.
Great.
Whoop,
Made
whoop.
that look real easy. All right, Sean, can
Yeah,
you have
let's,
systems power on that
Platform's behind ya.
CTD for us?
yep, and
Yeah.
Kim, could I get a position for this monument in CTD?
Yep, look away.
Take bubble for just a sec.
Somebody hasn't been checking things off the dock plan.
Is that you, Will?
No, I only just got, oh, he has been. Okay. Connect Aquadop. Okay, we want to go to the Nortec west of the platform.
West of platform. I'm facing west now. Is it perhaps this green cable in front of us?
And what's a
Quite pro-
Nortec? Another
Yeah,
word for Nortec?
it's an ADCP.
I don't know then.
This one's a HR,
It's just for a sec.
Human Resources Nortec.
Ooh.
Hey, Will, can you explain to the people listening at home what attaching that connector to the platform does?
Sorry, hanging the CTD on the monument?
Yes.
Oh,
Oops.
okay. So these monuments are kind of a standard 2-meter height across all the sites that we put CTDs on.
And CTD stands for conductivity, temperature, depth?
That's correct. It's the bread and butter instrument for oceanography. And it really allows the CTD to operate at its best. They have kind of like a glass cylinder that makes the conductivity cell. Inside are
Have you got
2
a
platinum electrodes
target for this Nortec thing?
that are used to measure the conductivity. And
And it
if
can't
the-
just
if
be
the-
sitting
if
on the seafloor, it's got to be
no,
placed
yeah, if it's sitting too low to the seafloor, you're gonna get a lot of resuspended sediments sucked in. And sorry, so like there's a pump that pulls water through the conductivity cell
up.
and
Gotcha.
can pass it through other flow-through instruments on the CTD, like an oxygen sensor, for example.
Northeast. Hold on.
But if it's on its side or if it's too low, it can fill up with sediment, and then
That's
that
the-
changes,
That's the
like
camera.
the volume
That's
of the
larval tube
conductivity
camera.
cell changes, thus changing the conductivity calculation, like the formula,
Yeah.
So can
formula
you do have a
coefficients
target?
that are based for
So
that
it's important to
instrument.
place it up and to place it vertical.
Yes, absolutely.
And how long will that stay down here? And
Well-
continue to work while down here.
Yeah, so CTDs, I think we let our calibrations go for 1.5 years, and then the
Okay,
sensors
so
start
I'll
to
go
drift a bit,
east?
so we try to swap them out every 2 years
Okay.
as quickly as we can.
So those were swapped out for some here, or those brand new, like, did we swap?
Oh no,
the-
we didn't
yeah.
swap. That
so
instrument
this
was
is a
deployed
new
on the
location.
platform. Yeah,
Gotcha.
so this platform I think was deployed last year on the Tully. Maybe even in March. I
And the
don't
Tully
remember.
is the Canadian Coast Guard vessel.
Yeah,
that
Canadian
y'all,
Coast
that
Guard
ONC also works
ship
with.
Tully. Yes.
Thank you, Mike. Or
Boy.
why did I say Mike? Sorry. Thank you, Will.
Yeah, we should have been able to follow a green cable to it. I mean, they're all green cables down here, but it's the
So there's the
only cable
IP.
kind of running north and west.
So you're saying west and Kim is telling me east.
Sorry, east.
Is it east?
Yes,
All right.
absolutely. My map was upside down.
Lava.
All right.
There's some other bigger mapping errors going on here today.
Wrong projection.
So I don't see a cable going out east. Like, do you know where it's supposed to be off your map? I could just run out
Oh,
there.
wait. It's on the west. What are you looking at? Do you want me to pass you the site diagram?
Somebody's just got to give me a
targets
range and a bearing or something.
Got targets from ONC. They're showing canyon axis ADCP.
It's only a 10-meter cable, so it's within reach of the platform.
Do you know which junction, whatever thing it comes off, we can just follow it?
It should be on the southern side. It's not plugged in yet.
Southern side, not plugged in. South, north, east, west.
Are we talking about the same ADCP?
No, I'm talking about a Nortec. Nortec HR profiler.
Oh, these wheels are off of this altogether. Come on.
All right, CTD is back on
Yeah, so
again,
from
Will.
the south side of the platform,
this is
it
it.
should be a bearing of 316.
316. Over here somewhere.
Yeah, north of the CTD monument. So you just plugged in the CTD's connected.
Yep, it's plugged in, it's working.
Yeah, so that cable on the right,
Is the cable.
this
That
one.
one.
The cable of our dreams. There we go.
I think it's this guy here.
Yeah, Raj.
Man, Telestrator rules. How did we do this before?
Remember the stick of pointing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We did it with
There's
a stick
lots
of
of
pointing.
getting up out of your chair.
Yeah. Now you
This
don't have
is-
to exercise at all.
This is the Nortec.
Now, what doing with this?
We're just getting a position and heading.
in the
Heading is
mud.
position at the top of the T, so top of the T is at a right angle to ROV.
What T?
Well,
The one that's buried.
It's
yeah,
T
the one that's
handle?
buried.
Yeah.
Roger.
I think the cable penetrates on the T. You can kind of just make out a right angle there, a little bit of red rubber down here.
Yeah.
So let's just square up to the CTD. Or sorry, square up to this side.
Yeah.
So top of T, what does that even mean?
I'm going to mess
So
with your
top
lighting
of
there,
T
Mike.
is at right
Yeah.
angle to ROV.
Oh, what was on?
It was porch, not down. Now it's down,
Oh.
not porch.
It does look
Well,
like a
it's
T.
this
I
way,
just
though.
don't know what
oh yeah,
this
Raj.
That's even better.
direction means.
Right sight down the lane.
Is
that
that
mean
right
it
angle
Hold
to
the T
ROV?
perpendicular to the ROV?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
I think we wanna clock to port 90 degrees.
All right.
Ashley helped me decipher these
Can I
instructions.
mess with your tooling cams for a sec there, Mike?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
There you go. 290.
So this is
Thank
just
you.
down here, but not connected.
290, I call
It's
it.
not connected yet. That's correct.
Oh,
They must have run out of time,
right.
or the arm wasn't working. I think the arm wasn't working. Is that right, Trevor?
What?
Who?
The OE's arm.
The OE's arm always works perfectly.
Yeah.
So
I
why'd
don't
you
know.
guys leave all these connectors unconnected?
Wasn't us.
It's amazing fact that sub has never had any downtime.
Yeah. 100%
Oh,
uptime.
yeah.
One of the best.
Magic. What are we doing? Okay, we're gonna plug it in?
Just, yeah, and then follow the cable back to the connector, and then we're gonna connect it into the north side of the junction box. So find the connector, fly it around to the north side.
One last camera cycle.
Got it.
Find the connector. Here it is.
Yeah,
Ready for connector, Trevor?
Sure.
I think your CTD cable is crossing over top now.
That makes it easy.
Yeah, what's going on there? Oh yeah, we got to fish it out.
Grabbing the cable in the parking position from under the CTD cable.
Yes,
Is that true?
please.
Okay.
You want to go pick it up and drop it back here, closer to the...
What was that bearing?
Steal your pen.
290.
Can you please log that the starboard bow box cam had a 500K ground fault?